what you just saw might have been confusing, so I'm going to show you what I actually see. And I solve it different ways, so I'm going to show you the way that you saw. So first I'm going to get the flower. So now I have the flower. And why it has the yellow center is because the white and yellow are opposite and you're trying to get the white cross. So I'll start with the blue. It's already matching, so I'll flip that there. Then the orange is already matching, so I'll flip that around. Then the red, okay, I'll put that matching its red center face. And now it's over there. And finally the green. Now I have the cross. Now I'm going to get the corners. I don't have any facing me. I don't have any facing me on the top, but I have one facing upward on the top. So I'm going to put that in any space that has not been filled in by white. Now I'm going to turn it either way so that it's on the side. Then I'm going to turn it 2 times. You don't always have to turn it 2 times, but you just have to do that to get it out of the way. And then I'll put that back down. And now it's over here, so I'll match that up. Orange to orange. Then I'll go down, over, and back up. Or I could make a rainbow, meet the white, and have it come back down. So now I have the piece in there. This white is also facing me, so I'm going to put that up, make a rainbow shape with the white. Then I'll turn the top so the whites meet and pull it back down. That piece is now in the right place. No more are facing me, but I do have 2 down here that are not facing downward. So I'll turn this either way. Then I'll turn this 2 times. I'll turn this over here so it's on the side. Then I'll turn this 2 times and hide it back and hide the white back down. So now I'll match that up and then make a rainbow shape with the white. Have the whites meet and bring it back down. And now the white's on the top, so I'll turn it so it's on the side 2 times and bring it back down. So now I'll make the rainbow shape, turn it over, and pull it back down. Now I have the bottom solved with, and on each side, it's matching the center face. Now I'm going to solve the middle. Okay, I'll do the green-orange first. So green, it's already there. I'll move that away from the orange, bring the missing piece up, move it away, back down, and now solve for white. And that put the piece in place. Now I'll do the blue, red. I'll move, since it's going toward the red, I'm moving it away from the red, missing piece up, away from the red, and then solve for white. that also put that piece in place. Now I'm going to do the orange blue. So I'll turn that away since it wants to go towards blue. Pick that up, away, hide the white back down. Now solve for white. Now I'll do the green red edge. Turn it away since it wants to go towards green. Up, over, down, over. And now I've solved the second layer. But sometimes you have a piece that's in the right place but turned the wrong way. When you do that, you put that piece, you pretend, you find yellow, pretend that piece is the right piece, and put it into place. That kicks out the right piece, and then you can solve for the right piece. Now I'm going to do the top layer. You should have something on top. You should either have an L or a bar. So since I have an L, I'm going to go front, top, right, front. And now that brought up the cross. Sometimes you just have a bar. You'll do that, and it'll take you a couple times, but then you'll get to the cross. Now once you have the cross, you can have three things. No. A cross with two corners, or the whole side covered. The cross looks like this. Then there's a fish, a cross with one corner. Then there's a basket, cross with two corners, and a bow tie. Another cross with two corners. And then the whole face yellow. If you have a basket figure 8 or the bear cross, you want fish food nibbling your left hand. Fish food in your left hand. Fish food is a yellow face in your left hand. But if you have and it might take you a couple times, but soon it will bring up the fish. So what you do is you go right, up, right, up, right, up, up, right. And I had cross, now that brings up the basket. So I'm going to put fish